Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and use Best VPN Tunnel for secure and unlimited browsing. So make sure to watch the full video carefully. First of all, open any browser on your phone such as Chrome or any other browser you use. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type UDP custom website, then press enter to search. Now from the search results, tap on the official UDP custom website. After opening the website, you will land on the homepage where you can access different tools and VPN applications. Once you are on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. A list of options will appear on the screen. From that menu, tap on the free VPN option to continue to the VPN section. Now on the VPN page, you will see different VPN applications available for download. Find Best VPN Tunnel from the list and tap on it to open the download page. Next, tap on the Install button to start downloading the VPN application. The downloading and installation process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so wait patiently until it finishes. After the installation is completed, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the Best VPN Tunnel application for the first time. Once the VPN opens, you will be redirected to the main home screen of the application. It may ask for notification permission. You can either allow or cancel the permission according to your choice. Now make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is connected because the VPN needs internet access to load and update the available servers. The application may refresh or restart once while updating the servers, so wait a few seconds until everything loads properly. Now let's talk about the VPN interface. This VPN mainly has two important sections. One section is for selecting servers, and the other section is for selecting built-in protocols or tweaks. To choose a server, tap on the Server section. You will see a list of servers from different countries and locations. Select any server you want to use. You can change the server anytime whenever needed. After selecting the server, now choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button and you will see a list of different built-in tweaks and protocols. Scroll through the list and select any tweak that works best for your internet connection. Once everything is selected, go back to the home screen and tap on the big Start button. The VPN will begin connecting and within a few seconds you should see the connected status on your screen. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices or computers, open the side menu and tap on the tethering option. Then enable the Settings button to start sharing the VPN connection. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how to download and use Best VPN Tunnel easily.